Welcome back, it's Chris with Wildflower Landscape Services here at a project in Thornton, Colorado. We did this last fall. Just wanted to come and show you what we did. There was lots of lawn here and the homeowner wanted to eliminate some lawn. There was an existing tree here. So what we did is we just tore out some lawn, did a berm with some perennials, some cobblestones, some mulch, some nice granite boulders. Put some low voltage outdoor lighting in here. It's a really effective way to take up some space and add some curb appeal. It's a little shady out right now, but you can see it came out really nice. And then what we did here is we did a paver patio and an entryway walkway. It's a little planting bed next to the house there. This is a Borgert product paver. Coming up to the front door, the upper one was the existing concrete. We just went over the top of that. Then we made a retaining wall here and then added an extension out onto the patio, which created a very nice, inviting space. Homeowners can sit out here, and also it adds some curb appeal to the front yard. This is just a random pattern stone. There's 3 different sizes of pavers in there. And then on the edge here you can see we did a border of a darker color, and it adds as a nice accent. And on the other side of the yard there was just a real tall existing juniper, and he just wanted to dress this up a little bit too over here, so we just did a small little planting bed with a couple perennials and shrubs, some cobblestone and another boulder, and some outdoor lighting. So as you can see, this really adds a lot of character to the front yard, to the front of the house, and a pretty nice usable space. This is in Thornton, Colorado. Please give Wildflower Landscape a call if you need anything. 303-525-6282. Thank you.